गुड मॉर्निंग। मैं हूँ सुपर वुमनिया स्तुति आपके साथ। टुडे इज 3rd of August एंड ये जो पूरा वीक है ना, फ्रॉम 1st to 7th, दिस इज एक्चुअली वर्ल्ड ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग वीक। और इसीलिए आई हैव समवन वेरी स्पेशल जिनसे अभी हम कॉन्वर्सेशन करेंगे। मेरे साथ है डॉक्टर शालिनी पांडे।
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shalini Pandey. I am a senior consultant in pediatrics and neonatology in Department of Pediatrics in Batra Hospital and Medical Research Center, Delhi.
Dr. Pandey, thank you so much for joining us, and who better than you to explain कि breastfeeding important क्यों है?
Yes, as we all know, it is very important to breastfeed your child right from first minute, first day, first week of the child's life. Breastfeeding is a God's gift, and it not only completes the nutrition that a baby needs, it also gives the baby the necessary vaccination, the disease fighting capacity that the child needs, not only immediately but in long term situations also.
Right. अच्छा, breastfeeding and immunity में भी कोई link है, which is why it becomes all the more important?
Breast milk contains certain factors which helps a baby boost his immunity, like lactoferrin. There are many immunoglobulins, and the composition of breast milk is such that it is not allergenic, and so it gives a baby an overall nutrition.
राइट। बच्चों के लिए ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग की इम्पोर्टेंस कितनी है ये तो हम समझ रहे हैं। वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू दिस कन्वर्सेशन विद डॉक्टर पांडे। आप कहीं ना जाएं, सुनते रहे फीवर 104 FM। मैं हूँ स्तुति आपके साथ। फीवर 104 FM, मैं हूँ स्तुति आपके साथ। दिस इज वर्ल्ड ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग वीक एंड वी आर इन कॉन्वर्सेशन विद डॉक्टर शालिनी पांडे, जो बच्चों के लिए ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग इम्पोर्टेंट क्यों है उसके बारे में हमें बता रहे हैं। डॉक्टर पांडे, यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट कैसे ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग एंड इम्यूनिटी में भी एक लिंक है। सो हाउ डू यू डिफाइन इम्यूनिटी सिंपल टर्म्स?
In simple terms, immunity would be defined as a body's disease fighting capacity, or the capacity if a germ or an allergen gains entry, then how does body react to it? Does it let the body take over, or it kills the germs with its inner immunity? That is what immunity is all about.
और किस एज में इम्यूनिटी डेवलप होती है?
As soon as the baby is born, the baby is exposed to a lot of environmental factors which lead to a development of immunity, which may be very weak or in very small numbers, but it is very important as it is the first contact of the baby with the environment. So as soon as the baby is born, the immunity starts to build up right away.
Okay. And immunity को boost करने के लिए आप क्या recommend करें?
Boosting immunity is a very important factor these days. With this corona pandemic, everyone is talking about how we can protect with simple measures, boosting our immunity. And if a person is exposed to coronavirus, how can they fight? How can the immune system of the body fight with the corona? There are simple steps, and these are very age-old, time-tested steps which one can take. You have to eat right, sleep right. You have to take 8 hours of sleep per day and eat meals with the discipline. Factors which are known to give you immunity. Good food, lots of vegetables, lots of fruits. You should focus more on protein in the food. You should take less carbohydrates and fats in very moderate amounts. You should exercise like a regular exercise, and make sure that during corona lockdown period you're not hobnobbing with your sleep patterns. You should be sleeping at the right time, getting up in the morning at the right time, and have a positive focus towards life.
Dr. Pandey has a lot of very, very important things to share with us, which is why ये conversation हम जारी रखेंगे। फीवर 104 FM आप सुनते रहिए। मैं हूँ स्तुति आपके साथ। फीवर 104 FM गुड मॉर्निंग, मैं हूँ स्तुति आपके साथ। ये है वर्ल्ड ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग वीक एंड वी आर इन कॉन्वर्सेशन विद डॉक्टर शालिनी पांडे, जो इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग हमें समझा रही हैं। एंड अ लॉट ऑफ अस आर नॉट डॉक्टर्स, आई एम सो ग्लैड कि बहुत सिंपल टर्म्स में ये इम्पोर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन हम तक पहुंचा रही हैं। अच्छा डॉक्टर, माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कि कोलेस्ट्रम की इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है इन बिल्डिंग इम्यूनिटी?
Colostrum has a major role to play in a baby's immunity. It is loaded with immune factors and it is so good for the baby that it has been called the first vaccination of the baby, because it not only gives the baby an immediate protection from various bacteria, harmful viruses and other germs. In long term also, it has been seen by certain studies that children who have received colostrum and received breast milk for a substantial amount of time have less diseases later on in life, and chronic diseases like hypertension, diabetes, gut dysbiosis, all these are prevented if the baby takes colostrum and breastfeeding while he or she can.
Okay. Acha, immunoglobulins. I'm glad I managed to pronounce it correctly in one go. So, immunoglobulins, ये क्या होते हैं?
Immunoglobulins are naturally present in breast milk, especially in large quantity in colostrum. And so, if a baby breastfeeds from the first minute of their birth, then they naturally receive immunoglobulins in mother's milk. Also, there are certain products in the market which can give you immunoglobulins in good amount.
You know, this was so important. Thank you so much, Dr. Shalini Pandey, because at a time like this, Corona ke chalte, you know, everyone's so worried about their health, and parents particularly worried about the health of their newborn babies. So, jo aapne hame samjhaya, that's so valuable for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you for giving me an opportunity to talk about breast milk and immunoglobulins and colostrum today. Thank you.
Fever 104 FM आप सुनते रहिए, मैं हूँ स्तुति आपके साथ।
अरे आई 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 रे सुपर वुमन।
फीवर 104 FM गुड मॉर्निंग, मैं हूँ स्तुति आपके साथ। हाउ टू बूस्ट इम्यूनिटी अपने लिए, अपने फैमिली के लिए इज अ क्वेश्चन आई एम श्योर यूड बी थिंकिंग, स्पेशली अब जब अपने हेल्थ पे ध्यान देना, अपनी इम्यूनिटी पे ध्यान देना इतना जरूरी हो गया है। कोलेस्ट्रम, डू यू नो अबाउट दिस? नाउ दिस इज द फर्स्ट मिल्क and is highly nutritious and helps to develop the immune system. First milk produced by the cow after giving birth to a calf is known as bovine colostrum. और ये जो है, this is highly nutritious and contains immunoglobulins along with proteins, vitamins and minerals. Lactrum के साथ, which is also called the true immunity booster, you can give your entire family protection. It needs to fight infection, है ना? So kids can have 1 scoop daily, adults 2 scoops twice daily by mixing it with milk and lukewarm water. तो आप जरूर लें. You can order it online, Facebook पे, Instagram पे टाइप करके. It's available in leading pharmacies. So make sure that you start the daily dose of the true immunity booster, Lactrum, today. फीवर 104 FM सुनते जाइए. मैं हूँ सुपर वुमन स्तुति आपके साथ.